In this video, I'm going to show you my favourite tips and tricks for the Echo Show 8. Most of these tips will also work with a Show 5, 10 and even the new Echo Show 15. Some of these tips are quite simple but really useful if you have just got your first Echo. I'm sure everyone who watches this video will learn something new. For example, did you know that if you whisper to your Echo, it will whisper back? Computer, what's the time?
It's 4:55 PM.
If you watch to the end of this video, I will show you how to set this up. I've changed the wake word of my Echo to computer so I don't trigger your device by mistake. If you want to do this yourself, just scroll down from the top of the screen, press settings, scroll to device options and select wake word. From here you can choose between the A word, Amazon, computer and Echo. One of the most useful features is timers and reminders. Most people know that you can set a simple timer by asking, for example, computer, set a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
But you have far more options than this. For example, you could ask the timer to remind you something. For example, computer, remind me to call the office in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you in 5 minutes.
The show will now remind you to call the office in 5 minutes. But the reminders don't stop here, as you're able to set as many timers and reminders as you like. Computer, remind me to take the dinner out of the oven in 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll remind you in 10 minutes.
This is what one of the reminders sounds like.
Daniel, here is your reminder. Call the office.
You can also use your Echo as a music or radio alarm. For example, if you want to be woken up by your favourite artist in the morning, just ask, computer, wake me up at 6 AM to music by Ed Sheeran.
Alarm set for 6 AM tomorrow to This Is Ed Sheeran on Spotify.
You can also do this with your favourite radio station. For example, computer, wake me up at 7 AM to BBC Radio 1.
Second alarm set for 7 AM tomorrow to SW1 Radio on TuneIn.
You can also use music or audiobooks to help you get to sleep. For example, you could ask the Echo to play your audiobook for 30 minutes. Computer, play my audiobook for 30 minutes.
Getting a selection from Daniel's Audible library. Resuming Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, Book 1.
After 30 minutes, the book will stop. To play music, you'll need to make sure you've linked your favourite music service. Go to the app, press More, go to Settings, select Music and Podcasts, and from here you can choose to link a service with your Echo device. It really is as simple as that. Did you know if you subscribe to Amazon Music, you can even view the words on the screen so you can sing along? Computer, play music by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
Shuffling songs by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
While we're talking about media, you can also use the Echo Show to watch your favourite content from Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and more. To watch your favourite content, just ask, computer, open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
Open YouTube.
Here is YouTube.
As a bonus tip, when you're on YouTube, you can view the desktop site by pressing the computer monitor on the top right hand corner of the screen. Play the Grand Tour on Prime Video.
Here's the Grand Tour Season 4 Episode 3.
You can also get to the services by scrolling down from the top of the screen, pressing Video, and then choose the service you want to watch. Let me know what you like to watch on your Echo Show in the comments below. Privacy is a big concern for some people, especially if you keep your device in a bedroom. Luckily, the Echo has a built-in slider so you can cover the camera. You can also mute the microphone by pressing a microphone button on the top. You will know it has been muted because a button will glow red and a red bar will appear on the bottom of the screen. We can't talk about the Echo Show without talking about smart home devices. The show is great if you want to quickly view your Ring doorbell, turn lights on and off, or even change the temperature on your smart thermostat. All of these options can be controlled by asking, computer, set the thermostat to 20 degrees.
The heat set to 20.
Or if you slide from the top of the screen and select Smart Home, you can view and control all your devices. If you have a Ring doorbell or other camera such as Blink, you're able to view the camera feed by asking, "Computer, talk to the front door."
Okay.
This is what it looks and sounds like when someone's talking to your Ring doorbell.
The Echo Show will also let you know when someone is at the front door. As the Echo is constantly updating itself, there is an easy way to find out if there are any new features that you're not aware of. Just slide on the right hand side of the screen and you'll be able to see some shortcuts. If you keep going, press Learn More.
I'm glad you asked. You can say, "Alexa, play music upstairs. How's the weather tomorrow?" Or, "Set an alarm to country music at 5 a.m. tomorrow."
Some of my favourite commands are, "Computer, is it going to rain today?"
No rain is expected tonight.
"Computer, what's the time?"
It's 5:07 p.m.
"Computer, flash briefing."
Daniel, here's the latest from your flash briefing. In weather, in Walton-on-the-Naze, it's 8 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect dreary weather, with a low of 8 degrees. From BBC News.
Flash briefings will tell you the weather, news, information on your commute and more. "Computer, what is 10 times 10?
10 times 10 is 100.
"Computer, what is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
"Computer, how old is Boris Johnson?
Boris Johnson is 57 years old.
You can even use the Echo for recipes. "Computer, show me recipes for Christmas puddings."
Okay, for Christmas puddings, here are a few recipes. Okay, I'll read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step. Step 1. Mix the fruit, almonds, citrus zests and the carrot with the brandy and orange liqueur in a large mixing bowl.
"Computer, next step."
Step 2.
An easy way to find new tips and tricks is by sliding down from the top and selecting Discovery. From here you'll have a lot of different tricks that you can do. Let's have a look at some of them. All of these tips are things you can say. So the first one, you'll say, "Computer, what can I make with spinach?" Or you can press it and it'll show you.
Okay, for spinach, here are a few recipes.
"Computer, home." The great thing is, every time you go to Discovery, it'll show you something new. So for here it's telling me I could play music for reading, play music I heard yesterday, trivia, so who invented the light bulb, riddles.
What kind of coat can only be put on when wet? A coat of paint. Mix all the dry ingredients together.
"Computer,
Then
home." Now, as promised, I'll tell you how to turn on whisper mode. Simply say, "Computer, turn on whisper mode."
Sure. Whispered responses is now on.
It really is as simple as that. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please hit the like button and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.